In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage contract renewals in HubSpot using RenewalSpot. This tool makes it easy to stay on top of upcoming client renewals, set reminders, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. First, you'll need to access the HubSpot marketplace. Once there, use the search bar to look for RenewalSpot. This app integrates seamlessly with HubSpot, giving you a central place to manage all your subscription renewals. After installing RenewalSpot, head over to the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your clients and their current subscriptions. By clicking on a client's name, you can view detailed information about their active products, renewal dates, and the time remaining until their next renewal. One of the most useful features is the ability to set reminders and notifications. You can schedule alerts for yourself or your team so that you never miss an important renewal. This helps you stay proactive and provides a smoother experience for your clients. With RenewalSpot, managing contract renewals becomes simple, organized, and stress-free. You can track multiple clients at once, update renewal dates, and even send notifications directly from HubSpot. And that's how you manage contract renewals in HubSpot with RenewalSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.